Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating a Django web application that uses an HTML button to trigger the execution of a Python script. This can be a useful feature for various applications, such as data processing, automation, or triggering specific tasks within your Django project. We'll cover the following steps. Setting up your Django project. If you haven't already created a Django project, we'll briefly cover the project setup. Creating a Django app. We'll create a new Django app to handle the functionality of running the Python script. Creating the HTML template. We'll design a basic HTML template with an HTML button to execute the script. Writing the Python script. We'll write a simple Python script that gets executed when the button is clicked. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. If you haven't already created a Django project, you can do so using the following command. Replace project name with your desired project name. Next, let's create a Django app within your project. Navigate to your project directory and run the following command. This will create a new app called My App. Add the app to your project by including it in the installed _apps list in your project's settings, settings.py. In the My App directory, create a folder named Templates if it doesn't already exist. Inside the Templates folder, create an HTML file, example run_script.html. This HTML file will contain the button to execute your Python script. This HTML file contains a button with the ID run_script_btn. When clicked, it triggers a JavaScript fetch request to the URL /run_script/, which will be defined in the Django view to execute the Python script. Now, let's create the Python script that you want to run. In your My App directory, create a Python file, example script.py, with your desired functionality. For this example, we'll create a simple script that returns the current date and time. In your My App directory, open views.py and define a view that will execute the Python script when accessed. Next, configure the URL routing for your app. In the same My App directory, create a urls.py file if it doesn't already exist. Define a URL pattern for the run_script view. In your project's main urls.py file, located in your project's directory, include the URL configuration of your app by adding an import statement and including it in the URL patterns list. Now, you can start your Django development server by running the following command. Open your web browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000/myapp/run_script/. You will see the Run Script button. Clicking the button will trigger the execution of the Python script, and the result, current date and time, will be displayed on the web page. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Django app that uses an HTML button to run a Python script. You can modify the script to perform more complex tasks, making this approach a powerful tool for your Django projects. ChatGPT